Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most brilliant minds in history, Albert Einstein. From his theory of relativity to his contributions to quantum mechanics, Einstein revolutionized our understanding of the universe and laid the foundation for many of the technologies we use today. So let's take a closer look at the life and achievements of Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born in Ulm, Germany in 1879. As a child, Einstein was curious and inquisitive, and he loved to ask questions about the world around him. However, he struggled in school and was often frustrated by the rigid teaching methods of his teachers. Despite his struggles, Einstein was a talented musician and excelled in mathematics and physics. In 1895, Einstein completed high school and enrolled in the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, where he studied physics and mathematics. However, he did not initially do well at the Polytechnic and had to repeat a year. Despite this setback, Einstein eventually excelled in his studies and graduated in 1900. After graduation, Einstein struggled to find a job in academia due to his Jewish heritage and his refusal to serve in the military. As a result, he worked as a patent examiner, evaluating applications for new inventions. In his spare time, Einstein continued to study physics and published several papers on the subject. In 1905, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking papers on the topics of the photoelectric effect, Brownian motion, the special theory of relativity, and the equivalence of mass and energy. These papers established Einstein as a leading scientist and earned him a PhD from the University of Zurich. After completing his PhD, Einstein struggled to find a permanent academic position, and he continued to work as a patent examiner while also taking on various teaching positions. In 1909, he was finally offered a permanent position as a professor of physics at the University of Zurich. In 1911, Einstein was offered a position at the German University in Prague, and he accepted the offer, moving to Prague with his family. While in Prague, Einstein made significant contributions to the field of physics, including the development of the theory of general relativity. One of Einstein's most famous achievements is his theory of relativity, which he developed in the years following his 1905 papers. The theory of relativity describes the relationships between space, time, mass, and energy, and it has had a profound impact on our understanding of the universe. The theory of relativity has been tested and confirmed by numerous experiments, and it is considered one of the pillars of modern physics. In 1915, Einstein published the theory of general relativity, which expanded upon the special theory of relativity and introduced the concept of gravity as a curvature of space-time. This theory was also confirmed by experiments, including the 1919 solar eclipse expedition led by Arthur Eddington, which provided the first experimental confirmation of the theory. After the success of his theory of relativity, Einstein continued to make important contributions to the field of physics. He developed the concept of the cosmological constant, which helped to explain the expansion of the universe, and he made significant contributions to the development of quantum mechanics. Einstein also became an advocate for peace and civil rights, and he was a vocal critic of nuclear weapons. In 1933, Einstein fled Germany due to the rise of the Nazi Party and settled in the United States, where he accepted a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. He became a citizen of the United States in 1940 and continued to work on a variety of scientific and humanitarian projects until his death in 1955. Einstein's legacy as one of the greatest scientists in history lives on, and his contributions to the field of physics continue to be studied and admired by scientists around the world. He was also a vocal advocate for peace and social justice, and his work and example continue to inspire people around the world. Albert Einstein was a genius and a pioneer in the field of physics. His theory of relativity and other contributions have had a profound impact on our understanding of the universe and have paved the way for many of the technologies we use today. His legacy as a scientist and a humanitarian will continue to inspire and influence generations to come. Thank you for watching, and be sure